Eduze kwami uSizwe Cele no Lawrence umfokadube mhlawumbe umbuzo oqala nje ukuthi nizizwa kanjani ngokuba ingxenye yalomcimbi omngaka namhlanje.
Inhlangano yabahlali iSANCO esimele iyakuthokozela ukube ingxenye yalomcimbi esikuona namhlanje okuMay Day usuku labasebenzi ngenxa yokuthi lolusuku alifikanga kalula lifike phezulu kwemjuluko negazi labasebenzi belela amalungelo abo. So njengenhlangano yabahlali abasebenzi bonke babahlali inkululeko yabasebenzi inkululeko yabahlali.
Magaye eqinisweni nje abasebenzi eSouth Africa kubukeka bengakakutholi ukuphumula eziningi igameko esizibonayo ezihlukahlukene zama exploitation wabasebenzi kubaqashi babo. Ngakubo lemithetho ebekiwe eSouth Africa evikela abasebenzi implementwa ngendlela yini?
Yebo, siyakwazi ukuthi kusakuningi sakudinga sabahlali sikudinga futhi sabasebenzi. Kodwa ngaphansi kahulumeni weAfrican National Congress kuningi osekuachiviwe. Unobhala jikelele wekhosathu ukhulumile namhlanje wayisho imithetho okumele sikhumbule ukuthi ngaphansi kwaAfrican National Congress lemithetho ishayiwe ikhona and kumele senze sure ukuthi lemithetho abaqashi bayayiimplementa. Kakhulukazi umthetho ekumele siwukhumbule osuphasisiwe khona ukuthi umsebenzi uqashiwe ngaphansi kwama employment agencies after 3 months kumele uregister ube semthethweni. So siyazi ukuthi basekhona abaqashi abawu-undermineayo leyo mthetho okusho ukuthi ingakho ukuthi wonke umuntu la isebenza khona kumele abe organized. Organize uwenze sure ukuthi ungaphansi kwe-union affiliate yekhosathu ngoba ikhosathu elwele yonke lamalungelo abasebenzi. Ingakho uze wabona iDA imasha into engakazi ibonakala emlandweni. I-political party mashayela i-union imashayela iDA yamashayela ikhosathu ngoba ikhosathu is a revolutionary union elwele abasebenzi yamasha iDA elwele amalungelo onxiwa elwela amalungelo e-capitalist agenda yamasha against ikhosathu. So kusho ukuthi ukuba organized kusadinga ukuthi abasebenzi baqhubeke baba organized even in this day. Okusho ukuthi ngeke kuphela ukuba organized ngoba so lothi siqhubekile silwela amalungelo abasebenzi kodwa abaqashi njengoba babona kuyimanje beqasha ama-African nationals ala engenawo amaphepha okuba khona la ngoba efuna ukubaxhaphaza. Okusho ukuthi ukuxhashazwa kwabantu kumele sihlezi sikhona siyinhlangano zabahlali siyinhlangano zabasebenzi siqhubeka silwa ukuthi lama rights esesiwatholile singawaluzi ngenxa yabaqasha abaselfish.
Mfokadube ulithintile unobhala iphuzu labantu bokufika abangenamaphepha. iSouth Africa ibheke phezulu kunama-unrest abantu basemgwaqeni bakhuluma indaba yabantu bokufika abangenamaphepha asebethathe imisebenzi yabo because they can allow to be paid under the minimum wage. Kuthini ukuphawula kwenu sithini stand senu njenganeSANCO ngabantu bokufika abangenamaphepha?
Ngibingelele mfowethu istand sethu clear. We stand with COSATU in everything eyenzayo. The issue of illegal foreigners in our country, we are saying all undocumented and those who are illegal in the country, I should pack and go back home. That is our stand as SANCO. We as jigi lapho. And we are clear also ukuthi for those who've got abafuni asylum la in the country, we are saying Tina the first country yakho eseduze nala ubuya khona, that's where you must enter and stay there. We are so surprised and very amazed ukuthi umuntu asuke eNigeria athi uzocela asylum in South Africa. Can you imagine how many countries lo muntu azijampayo? So we are in line with the new laws that the government wants to put forth ukuthi the asylum seekers first country, the first next country yakho, that's where you should stop. Don't come down. But when it comes to the issue abantu abathathela abantu bethu imisebenzi imagine nje ukuyogunda inwele ukwenza inzipho and all that. That is not a scarce skills in the country. Many people can do that. So we need to secure le misebenzi leyo ngoba they boost our economy kakhulu. So we will stand firm when COSATU goes on the street iyodemanda all these things ukuthi ziphele, we will be with them. We support them kakhulu la.
Okunye okuzokhulunywa umhlali mhlawumbe ozobukela lo mbukiso uzothi kuncane osekwenziwe iSANCO, maningi amamashi abonakele emgwaqeni ezama uku-addressa efaka izikhalazo with the very same issue. Ayikazi bonakale iSANCO iyumbimbi nalabo bantu abanjengoMarsh and Marsh, oDudula nabanye abasuke belwisa. Kungani nizibeka endaweni yokuthi nilwisana nalento ekubeni you have never been in marches that are addressing this issue?
Muhle kakhulu lo mbuzo. Ukuthi asifuna ukukhuluma ngabanye, yabo. Ngoba abanye sesibona sebefakwe ama t-shirts. Siqala ukubabona sebefaka ama t-shirts badlula kuma 1000. Sebefika ngamabhasi konke lokho kuyimali. Sesibuza ukuthi obani aba-sponsorishe ngalama t-shirt avela kuphi, ivela kuphi imali yokuqasha lamabhasi. So ama-questions lawo esingawazi ngoba akuyona yonke into okuthi kumele uyibona yenzeka bese uba ingxenye yayo ubungayazi i-deeper agenda yayo ukuthi who's behind all of this. Yayizwa lona ngoba sesiyazi kakhulu ukuthi kunama-civic organizations that are being used for a certain agenda, a certain imperialist agenda. So kumele uyi-associate nento uyi-associate nento yaziyo. Let me tell you something. Yabona namhlanje njengoba kumgqibelo ngoLosithathu SANCO leader ama-civic organizations awo wonke la KwaZulu Natal sihlangane sasayina i-compact, i-social compact silidwa uPremier wakwaZulu Natal ubaba uThami Ntuli. Sisayina i-social compact no government wakwaZulu Natal, sasayina sihambisane ne-organized labor, kukhona ne-business, kukhona ne-academia. Ngoba when we are dealing with the issues of abantu bokufika sidila also nange-skill ngoba besine-job summit here. Yabona lama organizations owashoyo bengekho la e-ICC for 2 days sikhuluma wona ama-issues of jobs, sikhuluma wona ama-issues of skill, because you can't only speak jobs without speaking about the skill.
But labantu okhuluma ngawo bebesemgwaqeni bezama uku-addressa the very same issue. Ngisase kuona lo mbuzo mfowethu.
I think unobhala uyibeka kahle ukuthi ngeke ubone impukane izindlu bese uyalandela nawe ungazi ukuthi what is the agenda. You know, you'll be shocked if I can tell you ukuthi March in March I've seen it's aligned with a certain political party. That's what?
Which party?
It's MK. It's aligned with MK. I've seen it on social media, and they came out clear to say that. Now, what are you saying to us?
What have you seen specifically, which says it all that they are aligned with the MK specifically?
The language that is being spoken. You see, there's a difference of how you do things. You don't just do things just because my neighbor does this, I'll have to do this. Kufana nasekhaya kwakho. Not ngoba ubona umakhelwane wakho akha umuzi dawo sofuna ukwenza leyo foundation ufuna ukwakha ungaplananga ungayenzanga lutho. It doesn't work like that. We do have our channels where we are fighting these things. Like for instance the issue of the foreigners who are illegal in the country. We've got forums esihlala kuzo and esenza sure ukuthi the law enforcement here it takes place. So it's not like that we are quiet about it. Mhlambe ukuthi asikaze sinmeme nina ukuthi senze umsindo sithi wozani nizobona ukuthi isanko seyenzani. Maybe we should start doing that Lobhala ukuthi when we address these issues sinbize madoda ukuthi bonani nansi isanko ilwa lokho. There are many ways of fighting. Other people, they will use imkhonto bahlabane, abanye they will prefer to go to the table and sit down and talk and resolve issues without any insults, without anything, but only bonisana, sivumelane, usayinwe, and that's it.
So one of the reasons ningake ni associate ne-march and march is because isebenza ne-MK ngokholwa kwini.
That is not the case. That is not. Sanko is an open civic movement. But you see, we don't want any party to come and take a political space at our expense. We can't do that.
Sengathi khona ipoint ongalibambanga kahle bhuti wami. Ngi-check Tang sisayine i-social compact no government waZulu Natal silidwa iPremier. Sisanko, we were there as the leaders of the civic organizations. So wena usitshela ngade bemasha bathi thina kuthanga uthi thina bekumele bese machine laba kade bese machine bafuna i-attention kahulumeni thina i-attention kahulumeni ngithi kuthanga sisayine isivumelwano nohulumeni wala kaZulu Natal okusho ukuthi nawo wonke ama-department akhona la ukuzo-addressa i-issue yawo wonke civil society okufaka kuwo ama-issues of tax shops ukuthi ama-tax shops wabone esengale eselidwa abanye abantu kanti i-research showed ukuthi i-tax shop iyodwa ikwazi ukuqasha at least 4 people okusho ukuthi mubala lama-1000 ama-tax shops ale KZN engasekho ezandleni zabantu abamnyama bale South Africa okusho ukuthi there are thousands who have lost jobs. We've spoken about ama-skills ukuthi kudala abantu bakithi bebekwazi ukuthunga babe wothailor balungise izinto ama-jobs lawo asheshayo enzeka manje bakwazi ukukhanda ney'cathulo. Uhulumeni waZulu Natal kuthanga sisayine i-contract nawo ukulungisa zonke lezo zinto including ama-porous borders ukuthi ama-borders awalungiswe nakomanguza njengoba ubona kuxotshwa imoto.
Bathi umbuzo uthi umbuzo engifuna ukuwubuza ukuthi since i-march and march iqalile ngokwenu as iSANCO awukho yini ayikho into eniyibona iyenza na?
Cha. Let's take for example, there was an issue like Eddington. I told you ukuthi ukulwa kukaningi kuhlukene futhi. Somebody will take a spear ayolwa, somebody will decide to take a pen and write. Tina, we were involved in the Eddington, but our involvement was that of persuading our Department of Education to go and solve the matter. And indeed, after we've spoken with the department, they went to go and resolve that matter. So, Shoguti, you may fight on the street and gain attention of everybody, while somebody can go and fight in the offices and bring solutions. So it's not about Guti. We must now, because March and March is marching, we also have to go now, City so much now, while we've got other channels in which we can tackle issues.
My last question, South Africa, no bala now isihlalo weSANCO. South Africa, umthetho uthi uma ngabe uzovula ibhizinisi eSouth Africa, you must invest something that is more than 5 million rand. Yet we see a lot of businesses in town, masingamanje nawe town, kugcwele amabhizinisi kwabantu bokufika abangawu-investanga lo 5 million. We've got abantu on the side of the street abagundayo abathunga izicathulo. They didn't invest that 5 million rand ekukhulunywa ngabo. Sikhuluma ngabantu abanye kufanele ngabakuma-refugee who came here as asylum seekers, for which in reality umuntu oyi-asylum seeker uhlala kwi-refugee camp akalivuli ibhizinisi, but they are here opening business. Kuthini lokhu ngomthetho wase-South Africa oyeka iy'tolo ey'gcwele itawuni ezingawu-investanga u-5 million yethu umthetho usho njalo?
You see, our approach, yes, you should go to no balance. Stated we've got a social compact that we have signed. You know, the responsibility Yama departments needs to be taken up seriously. We are being let down here by departments, number one. Therefore, what does this social compact means to us? Now that we have got to have access to all the offices in the government around here. Number one, immigration, but don't forget also our laws with democracy are the ones also that giving us problem. Where I come from in Vryheid, we have worked with the Department of Home Affairs, Immigration Department, and they have indicated ukuthi they do arrest abantu, but inkinga ibe ku justice system yethu. You can deport people also, but next week these people are coming back. Sikhuluma ngani manje ngokuvuleka kwama borders wethu. So I think we need to sit down with all the departments ezikhona and have a multitask, team ezo ensureisha ukuthi our borders are not open. The justice system yethu, it's unfortunate wherein you have seen it now, you have witnessed it, wherein these NGOs, particularly ezilwela human rights wabantu, taking our government to task and see the government yethu ilose because of what? Of imithetho yethu. So we need to be looking into our laws and the justice system yethu ukuthi is it beefed up kahle na, iyenza konke kahle na, because leyo khulumayo it's a impia every day, and I'm telling you, much on much they will toy everything, but if we're not sorting out the departments, relevant departments, law enforcement intelligence, then we are going to have this problem continuously. So begithi mina indlu mawuyakha awumani uqala usofaka iroof, you start with the foundation, and the foundation in this regard will be talks, because fighting doesn't help anything.